Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is use of this and that. KG2 class, today we will learn the concept of this and that. We use this to show a single person, place and animal which is near to us, and that is used to show a single person, place and animal which is far away from us. Okay students, first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay, let's start. The first picture is cat, and cat is near to me. So I will write here this. This is a cat. Read with me. This is a cat. The second picture is a rat. And rat is far away from me. Now I will write here that. That is a rat. Now students, read with me. That is a rat. The next picture is a fan. And fan is near to me. Therefore, I will write here this. This is a fan. Read with me. This is a fan. The next picture is a mat, and mat is far away from me. Now I will write here that. That is a mat. Students, read with me. That is a mat.